Hello, my name is Tobias Ullmann. I'm the product specialist folding from Horizon GmbH. Today at Finishing First 2025, we show you our smart folding solution together with Tecnau. We print two different jobs on a roll and the machine does an automatic changeover without hand. On my left side are Hamjan from Tecnau.
Hello Tobias, thank you. And thanks for having Tecnau here at your event. Very happy to be here. My name is Harmjan Hulleman. I'm the Sales Director for Europe, Middle East and Africa for Tecnau. And we have a wonderful solution here that we are showing for the very first time on Finishing First event at Horizon. I will walk you through it step by step. Obviously starting from the big roll, we have the Unwinder U50, which is our unwinder from our latest platform Revolution 50. Very versatile machine, capable of high speeds up to 250 meters, wide web widths up to 23 inches or 585 millimeters, and supporting a very wide media range, 40 GSM all the way up to 300 GSM. In this particular configuration is feeding our latest generation cutting, the C7. As you probably know, Tecnau is famous for making different types of cutters, both rotary cutters as well as guillotine cutters. This one is our latest model, the C7 guillotine cutter. Again, supporting a wide range of media, up to 23 inches wide, and very, very versatile, which is crucial for this application. As you see now, it stopped for a while based on what is read in the barcode. The folding is setting itself totally automatically over for a new application, and when the folder is ready, it signals the cutter and we start automatically again without having any operator intervention. Automation is the key word here, and the C7 cutter totally supports that. Having said that, I give the word back to Tobias to explain something about the folder.
Here we get the paper from the cutter, transport with the div in our ice folder 566 SF, fold it and cut it on the shaft with two knives, and here are two rows outside. And here you see different folding pattern.
And you see this changeover from the longer 4-fold to the shorter 3-fold is done totally automatic on the fly without any operator intervention.
Hamjan, thank you to be here.
Thanks for having us, Tobias, and it's a pleasure to be able to show this solution on Finishing First event.
You're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.